we are happy to announce our first collaboration with FridayParts. Let's see what they sent us. Oh, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's get this open. Oh, very nice. And a nice hat here. Thank you, FridayParts. And a Frisbee. Can't go wrong about the Frisbee, right? Summer fun. Yeah, that is very nice. Thank you very much. Look, it's even got a little tractor on there. Now, let's get to the reason why we are collaborating with them. We have the air freshener too. Man, these guys are cool. Alright, we have these anti-scalp wheels. Very nice. And the hardware. Let's get them on. So we are going to start off by taking this one off here. Seems to be stuck on there. Uh-oh. All right, let's get a hammer. Now, the cool thing about the ones from FridayParts is that they have Zerk fittings. These ones did not. So, obviously, they seized up inside the sleeve. Yep. Those are going to be a bear to get out. The bolt had seized itself inside that metal sleeve there. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, we have our brand new anti-scalp wheel. I'm going to go ahead and insert our bolt. There we are. Now, I'm using nylock nuts because they're self-locking, of course. Very nice. We're going to go ahead and proceed on with the rest of the installation. Oh, that one we got lucky on. Very nice. Okay, so it didn't do it to that one. Well, that's good. As you can see here, this one is completely destroyed. We are just going to go ahead and cut this one off. So let's get these off of here. There's one. Well, we're going to make a decision here to skip this one, and I'm going to order a new bracket. Let's move on to the other one. Okay, last one. And back it off a little bit. There we go. Okay. Thanks to our friends at FridayParts, we are finished with this project. We have the bracket to still come in the mail, but you get the drift. I appreciate everybody stopping by. Please like, share, and subscribe. Everything that you see here will be in the description. And remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless. Bye-bye now.